Watch, watch. For the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man? Hey, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come to represent, you know a full effect. You know what going on. When me aim up, load up, crank up and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them, you know a loud explosion are the most electrifying man in a YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me no man? Right about now, you know. Me see Vibes Cartel look at son, you know, look at Addi, you know, drop the bomber, you know. And right now, if me never know him, I know say a Vibes Cartel youth. Me da think say a tenor sing that song there. Right about now, you know, me know say some artists have forgot change up them folly grounds right about now. Because here the class of them and quality of them local youth there. You know what I say? The youth not sing nothing, you know, in him song, you know. Well, low him character, you know, as a juvenile, you know. For say, well then, him is a youth and he must say some exorbitant words and all them shit. And nothing like that, you know. Nothing feisty, nothing rude, nothing about no gun gangster business, nothing. The man music cleaner than whistle. You hear me? The man music cleaner than whistle and nice your fuck. So them youth, you know, in no time them youth got on top superstar, you know. Cause me I look for them youth music crossover anytime soon because any international I can listen to them, you could youth ya. And know say well then, where them get them vocabulary from when it come to music, business and lyrics thing. I know the world boss youth. The thing shut up. Right now the thing get real electrified. If I the small one sound like that, you can imagine the bigger one, because I'm supposed to have more growth, you know. And I'm supposed to all up in it. So probably the big one, you know, him a go and mince up lyrics fine like him father, you know. But the look one, yeah, me nah lie. Yo, I'm going to tell us load. Me ear sound like that, my brethren. You not hear the youth voice through speaker. You not hear him voice a translate through speaker. Yo, me not gonna lie, my brethren. Some artists right now, me think, I forgot change up them thing. Because here we go on. The man song sound like a big hit song. It not have nothing aggressive in it. It not have nothing feisty in it. It not have nothing rude in it. And nothing controversial about the man thing. I just clean, nice music. You can't believe it. I don't see it, all my gun see it. Watch. You me I say no man. So them say the 19, the bigger one song I go drop with him and him father. That is our next banger again because everybody anticipate for hear it just because them hear the local one. Well, me not gonna lie, my brethren, the producer or whosoever mix the song or whatever, me love it. It clean like whistle. Everything about the song clean. You know what I mean? Yo, I saw artists sound. You hear me I say? I make me tell you something, you know. Me notice, you know, in a Jamaica, you know, every man think them want be artists and every man want be runner. Want to lawyers and doctor and them shit there. You have some man who run down entertainment thing, you know. You know, for know, you know, that them look at you, they not choose music, you know. Music choose them, you know. You know, hear the look at youth sound. The youth sound like platinum. Yeah. And another lollipop thing. The youth sound like a platinum record him spit off. I saw me see it. You know what I mean? So right about now, I know anyway the teacher there in him cell right now, I'm supposed to cut 40 and I laugh. A real talk. The man supposed to cut 40 and I blaze up the highest grade and I laugh. And I say, wait. You don't think you don't see nothing yet? Eh? Right now, you know, them youth, them not need no authorization Them no need no verification. Them no need the rascal blue. Them already have the blue tick already. When I say them already verify already. You hear that? So you know say Gaza thing, you know. I take over the whole universe once more again. You know what I mean? And this time the youth them I take it from uptown, you know. So me tell you something, you know. Them youth they go be corporate artists, you know. A real thing, you know. Remember high school them go, you know. The whole of JC high school, you know. Supposed to blow out them youth there, you know. And a lollipop thing, the whole of JC high school. Supposed to sound the big thing them. Because no lollipop thing. You know the general, you know, the 10-star one in a full effect. And maybe just have to come put something up on the look of your name. Him work every word when I spit off of my tongue. And a lollipop thing. The youth thing a classic. I love it. You see what I deal with? Because you have some big man, you know, we say them are artists. And big youth, we say them are artists. And them can't put such argument together with such perfection to make it sound so clean and nice to listen and viewers' eyes. But here what I say, remember the man not have no ratchet word in him argument, in him song, you know. Him not have nothing ratchet in there. Him not have nothing out of order in there. Him not have nothing rude in there. Him not have nothing feisty in there. The youth music just clean and nice. And I love that. So here I say, to Vibes Cartel and Shorty, I respect to the fullest, you know. You know what I mean? Because them brand the world boss, you know. Say how much, you know. He might mash up the youth them in a Jamaica. But everybody take a look. And look upon the man youth them. You know what I mean? So it was just all about hypocrisy. You need to spend more time with the phone youth and push youth to the level that them can come to perfection. So here my Gaza nation. And here my Shorty and world boss. Watch. Gaza way. Ain't no other way. 10-star. General. Watch.